How to remove saved login info on Facebook. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can remove the saved login info on Facebook. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So if you want to remove your saved login info, all you need to do is go ahead into your Facebook account and then go to your profile by tapping on here and this menu appears. So from here, go ahead and tap on the settings option and open up your settings and privacy. And from this section, go to this first box, which is account center. After that, you need to scroll a bit and you can find this section called password and security. Just go ahead and tap on it. And under here, you'll be finding this option called saved login. So all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it and tap on your Facebook account. After that, it will redirect you to another page. So here, you will be finding the saved login info that you may want to remove. So all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the remove option here. There are 3 options on mine right now. So all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, it will be removed. So that is how you remove your saved login info on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.